Now available for the JetStamp 1025 pallet printing system is the EPAL shift mechanism, which can be retrofitted to any JetStamp 1025 handheld inkjet, doubling the print height from 25mm 1 inch to 50mm 2 inches. Certification with the European Pallet Association guarantees that pallet labeling meets the highest quality and durability standards, resistant to UV light and water. REINER in Germany is an official EPAL partner. This solution is easy to use and completes a clear, sharp, customizable logo, text or QR code in seconds, even on rough or uneven timber. Visit us at trendmarking.com.au.